Have you ever feel like that you're not doing your best and everyone else is just ahead of you while you are just stuck? Yes, you are not alone. I have been there too. When I look back at my first year of college, it feels like blur. I felt I didn't complete even a single course properly. No internship, no project, just a constant cycle of starting something new and not finishing it. But that's also not the whole truth. Things are happening, progress is being made, it doesn't always show up in a bigger picture right away. Sometimes the most important change is the tiny habits, the small mindset, the emotional growth. They happen silently in the background, and we don't give them credit because they are not flashy enough for LinkedIn and Instagram. Every time I open LinkedIn or scroll on Instagram, I saw people doing multiple things: course, internship, startups, coding challenging, freelancing, and here I was just overthinking my past, my future, everything. Thoughts like, what if I waste this year? What if nothing works out? What if I'm not good enough? And honestly, procrastination is my biggest enemy. It's not that I don't have time, it's just my mind is too cluttered to focus. The guilt of not doing enough kept me away from doing anything. I started comparing myself to everyone, creators, friend, classmate, anyone who seems even a slightly ahead of me. I I tell myself things like कि मेरे से तो होगा ही नहीं एंड मेरे में शायद कोई प्रॉब्लम है जो मैं नहीं कर पा रही हूँ ये सारी चीजें एंड अब मैं पीछे रह गई हूँ. देयर इज नो ऑप्शन कि मैं किसी से कम्पीट कर सकूँ, किसी के बराबर आ सकूँ. But then I remember something I had already learned in my JEE preparation days. That time, one of the toughest, most exhausting, and emotionally draining phase of my life. I have cried, I have broken down, I have doubted myself 100 times. But it also taught me some of the deepest life lessons. One of them is pause. You always learn the most important and valuable lesson of your life in your hardest time. And I have seen that happen, not in theory but in my own life. During my J days, I had days like where I would say that it's over. But slowly I learned to shift my self-talk. Instead of saying कि मुझसे नहीं होगा, I started telling myself that कोई बात नहीं, गलती थी, next time better कर लेंगे. And that small change changed everything. It pulled me out of self-hate and into self-growth. I truly believe this. Stop comparing your timeline to someone else's highlight reel. Talk to yourself with kindness, not criticism, and always remember what meant for you will never miss you. But you have to keep showing up. Sometimes seeds are growing underground. Just because you can't see the progress, it doesn't mean it's not happening. And never give up, because what if that one opportunity, that internship, that one big breakthrough is just one step away, but you quit one step too soon. So if you are in a confused phase, still figuring things out, I just want you to know that you are not alone. I'm still figuring things out, and that's okay, because we are not meant to have it all figured out at once. We grow one step at a time through every daily, through every doubt. So talk to yourself like a friend. Stop comparing your chapter to someone else's chapter 10. And always remember, your hard time are not the end of your story. They are the part where you learn the most.